Listen, gang. Listen, chat. Listen. Masicka just dropped new music. AUTOCRAT. My name? AUTOCRAT. See me? Masicka dropped new music. And I've said this before. I want some new flow from Masicka. So I could jump into the music video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. You see me? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I get some guinea and I'm gonna eat them. You see me? So I go and listen to some good music right now. What we say? Relax. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Put the city on the map, but I'm rich when I P90 we fling up on your back.
Hey, the song Masicka gonna make you know say I'm rich, you know. Man, proud of my accomplishments.
Pint to tell you down on a gap. I dance out, I'm chilling on the block. Make a bag of million never flop. That's that every day my fucking name hot. We again pan top of the convo. He kill a rock chain like Django. Villain I place and condo. Shep up in a face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango.
Pull up this bomb buckle out here. Excuse me language. Come again. Pull it up. Don't compare little boy with big man.
Put the city on the map, but I'm rich when I P90 we fling up on your back. From a pint to tell you down on a gap. I dance out.
I'm not gonna lie, it kinda similar to whites. So chat, comment down below, let me know if I'm right. Alright?
I'm chilling on the block. Make a bag of million never flop. That's that every day my fucking name hot. We again pan top of the convo. He kill a rock chain like Django.
Like, comment, share, subscribe now.
Villain I place and condo. Shep up in a face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango. Y'all see me and faint I dancer. Try to go, so now I want go. Dog rich and now post, so I want go. Blood for blood, hey fambo. Oofy, rich like man, bag a house, fucking Gucci. Pistol fight, knock him out, not no move me. Chris White Night, bloody top, dopey movie. Tough shatter, gun, mac a bag a group it. Corner the pan like soapy. Parrot attack long, no we shoot it. That a newbie where fire shot a buzzy loosely. Fireball, back a fireball, I'm a duty. Bandana every 16 and no Susie. Pussy them a just like carry steel. Can't fool me, sweep on no black Atlantic. Yeah, bro me pile and no pussy can't grow.
Masicka know if you find hits, you fuck. This man know if you find hits. Same flow. But the man voice and flow is very distinctive. So we cannot go around that. But this is our next hit.
Left that a bush and it a stink like noni. Glock that a push and it a kick like brownie. Pull up with the tool and off it take on no jewelry. Lie down with your time and not ruby. Pussy one play better try and load it. Tell us every rich, tell us every bad truly. But the talk at the dawn, but the news be. We again pan top of the convo. He kill a rock chain like Django. Villain I place.
Yo. From the start of the song to right now, tough.
Condo, shut up in a face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango. Y'all see me and faint I dancer. Try to go, so now I want go. Dog rich and now post, so I want go. Blood for blood, hey fambo. When in the talk, so me I talk, I turn. Bad blood clot youth, make it off, I'm on. Take it off from my belly, left off, now dumb. Step off, now light, them all start front. So pounce, me never back, keep bound. I'm full up, me gun with rounds. You woulda hear say mama son pronounce. Pussy don't scare me, not even now. Wrap it up in my gas, smarty get bunks. Don't feel safe if me not travel with my gun, so.
Pause. This is a different flow. 2 minutes in the song, him give you a different flow and that more. Come again.
Don't go to party, don't go to
go back. Hold on. Come again.
Blood for blood, hey fambo. When in the talk, so me I talk, I turn. Bad blood clot youth, make it off, I'm on. Take it off from my belly, left off, now dumb. Step off, now light, them all start front. So pounce, me never back, keep bound. I'm full up, me gun with rounds. You woulda hear say mama son pronounce. Pussy don't scare me, not even now. Wrap it up in my gas, smarty get bunks. Don't feel safe if me not travel with my guns. So me don't go to party, me don't go to clubs. Watch your round, robbing ya, so them kill thugs. I'm gone on a hillside, cutting up dumps. Fucking boy, girl, and puffing up jugs. Me looking more focused, them looking more bust. Everybody say me change, shut up where the money does. What them say them do again? Who them say them what's? Strap up with the tool for me and you, ask cause. Make it out the ass, mother know me call blood. I know me alone blessed, mommy yard flood. Jump up, greatness in I'm up. One star ball, I'm on a coach.
Masicka more you start calling naming a man. More you take on a boy. Bumbo,
Band crocodile in the road, yeah.
That tough! Watch out!
I call blood. I know me alone blessed, mommy yard flood. Jump up, greatness in I'm up. One star ball, I'm on a coach, yeah, sub. Band crocodile in the road, yeah. We again pan top of the convo. He kill a rock chain like Django. Villain I place and condo. Shut up in a face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango. Y'all see me and faint I dancer. Try to go, so no one go. Dog rich and now post, so one go. Blood for blood, air fambo. Nothing don't change, your name my topic. Mommy from me take it place like rocket. Me see your bag of pussy face, one stop it. Them have to watch it, push it, play night traffic.
Yo, I'm proud of yo. This we want versatility. Versatility we want some different flow and yeah promote that right now. Yeah, present that right now. This we like versatility. Come on, you.
Iconic man, tough and I plan it. Allow me like panic. Copy killer run down, don't panic. Remember them boots on no panic. Touch his dude, the one drop a song and everyone it. Fucking fool, then me make the food and then me disappear, reappear like magic. Shot me give boy.
Making food and go sauce. Disappear and appear like magic. Bumbo clap.
Run under my clothes, not no change, I'm a habit. Stuck in my waist, give me grades, me addict. Money every day, fucking every day like rabbit. Tell me booby, we have it. Louis V fabric. In a real life shot, kick off, I for that shit. Blood money buy go.
Dog full of Louis V for true. And a cap in my cap.
Give me girl the phone full of shit. New deposit. It's like I'm all look through my closet. Full of shoes, full of shirt, full of pants, full of stunt. Pop, pop, code of hands. Real steel, no go blanks like rubber rounds. So the key of them a play. Me name stay up on top of the convo. He kill a rock chain like Django. Villain I place and condo. Shut up in a face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango. Y'all see me and faint I dancer. Try to go, so no one go. Dog rich and now post, so one go. Blood for blood, air fambo.
Yo, this tough. No or never. Yo. Come in. Hold on there. Them are still about 20 seconds outside. That's it. Yep, that is it. Hold on. Hold on. Make me find it out. Pause. I'm gonna say this without apology. On the beginning of the song, I said the song sound a little bit like Whites, which it does. But 2 minutes into the song, show the girl them pretty eyes. 2 minutes into the song, the man come with some different flow, some different melody. You see me? Now, more than understand, say Masicka, it'll be like some rap artists like Pusha Ice-T, Bossman D-Lo, and a lot more artists. A lot of artists not go up on certain rhythm unless that rhythm kind of match them tone of voice and how them flow. Masicka is that type of person. So I have said it before, so I want some different flow and him deliver. Him give me different flow. Now the song is 5 minutes and 30 seconds long. And him give me flow. Him give me different flow consistently throughout the song. You see me? No, Masicka voice is very distinctive. Especially man like Idonia. You know, so when Idonia pan track, you know, say, okay, then that is Idonia. Cartel, that is Cartel. See me, Alka, that is Alka. The man have a very distinctive flow, dog. You see me? So it a kind of, it a kind of hard to switch it up in a sense. But the man deliver another song. 10 out of 10. Video 10 out of 10. Like me say, make your videos match your song. And the video match the song. I don't want you to sing about girl and I say one bag of man with gun. I don't want you to sing about gun and I say one bag of girl. You see me? Put girl and gun together. You see me? Perfect couple. But, I tell you, 10 out of 10. Flow, melody, lyrics, style. Everything a song can offer, this embodied all those elements. 10 out of 10. I'm going to tell you this. No boy can find hits like Masicka. None. No boy can find hits like Masicka, bro. None. Big man thing. Dog tough. Dog tough. Yo, me soon set up my streaming setup in, so no worry yourself. Well, like, comment, share, subscribe, chat, and comment down below, let me know what you think. You see me? Now, I want to know something in the chat. I not get no money off of them something here, you know. I do this because I love it. So, if you want to see some vlog, make me know. Comment down below and make me know. You see me? Like, comment, share, subscribe.